Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ira Walker. It's been a long time since I made a video. I want to apologize. I know a lot of people have been asking about different stuff and different songs and things like that. And just to be honest, I just been busy lately, and it just kind of seemed like the videos were kind of like the last thing on my mind. But there's been a lot of changes going on in my life, and sometimes those things I guess get in the way of doing this. And uh, as some of y'all know, like I recently left my job that I had, and I'm going to barber school, so that's kind of taking up a lot of my time. um, Also, I switched churches. I'm no longer a member of Wewoka Indian Baptist Church. Just kind of, it was just time to go. Just one of those things that you let the Lord lead, and sometimes you think you're going one way, but God's wanting you to go another way. So I'm no longer a member there. Right now, I'm a member at Spring Baptist Church in Cesvs. That's where I'm at, and I just ask y'all pray for me. Just that Lord will continue to use me however He sees fit. I wanted to share a song with y'all today. This one's called Jesus Mapohicvt. It talks about how happy they are, the ones who listen to Jesus, the ones who follow Him. And I guess one of the things that I got to always remind myself is that I can't find happiness in anything other than Jesus. I don't find happiness in my job. My happiness can't come from the church I'm at. My happiness can't come from relationships that I'm in, because all those things will disappoint you. All those things will fail you. It may seem good for a while, but in the end, it doesn't live up to the joy that Jesus gives us. And so I just want to encourage y'all to find your happiness in Jesus. Don't find it in don't find it in people. Don't find it in religion. Don't find it in anything like that. But find happiness in Jesus, in that relationship with Him. Because Jesus, He didn't call us to a religion, but He called us to a relationship. So just encourage you to trust in Him, seek Him, and just keep going. Just following Jesus. So I wanted to share this song. Hopefully it encourage you. I'm here at school right now. I'm on my lunch break and using my cell phone, so hopefully the quality will be okay. But I felt like I needed to get it out there, get another song out there. So this one's Jesus Mapohicvt. Jesus Mapohicvt, Mapohicvt Cesvs, Mapohicvt Kalwen Hemojis, Mapohicvt Gitakan Hadosin Hitchkan. Tulaswa honaye korayes hiafach kita janakin hayayangs Jesus ovanese Jayova Montaka Samayo Jesus in Hojivka Ovana Javachko Sehagangs Jesus Kithayova Ajafachko Sangis Imista Yafachka Kosid Istongo Tidayin Homantak Palakid Jesus Hashem Mekosa Paga